Hello everybody, this is a Lamley Matchbox 2019 L-Case unboxing. I believe we are talking about Mix 4, but I like it when the letters correspond with the numbers and it makes it really easy, but I think this is the fourth mix of 2019. It is the L-Case, and we're going to open it right now. Let's just move this right here. I don't have much to show you. Matchboxes are the people who sent me this case. We are going to open it up. This case has been out for a while. I think a lot of the hobby dealers have it. I think I've done a case report on this one. I think it's even been found in stores. So I'm a little bit behind on this one. But once I get them, I open them and I show them to you. So these are definitely something you can take note and then decide what you want to go look for in store. We'll get to that real soon. Oh, and I've already noticed that what we want to really look for is here. It's kind of interesting. Now I'm just going to make a note. Look at these two, and then when we get to them, we'll talk about them. All right, 24 count case. Always want to know what are the new models and what are in multiples, so they might be a little bit easier to find, right? You saw some of these as preview models when I did the preview just a couple of days ago. But let's get to the unboxing, and we start with these. Brand new casting. It is the 2018 Dodge Charger, and it is super cool. They have done 3 Dodge Chargers. This is the third. The first one was a sedan. Then they started putting police deco on it, and they said, well, if we're going to do that, let's make a police car. So they made a police car. Now they're back to a sedan, and here's the 2018 with lots and lots of details, front and back. I think it is super nice. Then we also have the MB Excavator. Should probably show that proper. You always want to show the art with Matchbox now because the art is fantastic. All right, another new casting. And I'm happy to see that we have both versions. Right, this is the 1965 Land Rover Generation 2. Like a Defender, right? There's the artwork. I want to see. Yep, there's the artwork. It's the same on both. This is an homage to the classic Land Rover casting that was an old regular wheels. We've seen a few of these. Matchbox has been doing these throwbacks. But here's the thing that I want you to look at. Notice the top of this one. Kind of a roof rack of some sort. And then the top of this one. A different roof rack. These are two different, and you've seen them do this. These are two different tops to this Land Rover. You want to find both if you want to. The casting itself is the same, and this is removable. So I'll do a showcase on these, and I can actually show you how you can pop this off. Now, we've seen the trailer, and we've seen, I think, a Chevy wagon that has had like the canoe top. All of these will fit. So what they've done is they've made kind of a universal fitting for these models that have these removable pieces. So you can put the canoe there. You can take whatever is, I think there's a rowboat on one. You can take them and switch them around. So that's kind of cool, kind of interchangeable. Maybe I will do a video with all of these models. I'm pointing off camera. All of these that have these removable pieces, and we'll just kind of do one after the other. It might be kind of fun. Maybe I'll do that on the Lamley Extras channel. Matchbox Skidster, 2 of those. New for, it's not a new casting, but new for this case. And then we saw this last time. It is the Bay Brigade. It's a boat. RSQ-18 tank. Is that a licensed tank? Maybe it is. I'm not entirely sure. And then a repeat of the 89 Chevy Blazer 4x4. I seem to think if this is new, I am not good about keeping track of these models, so you guys will have to tell me if I am correct on that, right? So it is like looks like to be like a SWAT tank, right? Hence this rescue, like the city look on it. All right. You guys will have to let me know because I tend to mess those up. Okay. Very, very nice 2012 Ford Explorer. This is the older Ford Explorer emergency casting. We're going to see a new casting this year. I think Matchbox has already teased the pre-production of that one. And then, so we have that one. Cool art. And then the Nissan NV van, which was also in the last case. Honda Civic makes a return. 2017 Honda Civic hatchback in red. The art looks really, really nice there. So nice color on that one. Still details on the front and the back. I know that a lot of people don't like the way this casting was executed. But the execution of the color in the wheels, I think, looks nice, and the art looks nice, right? And then this is the Acre Maker tractor types, four-wheel tractor kind of thing. Okay, another new casting for 2019, and there's only one in this one. So you get the skidster and you get that tank, but you only get one of the 2018 Ford Mustang convertible. So that's kind of interesting. I would think this one will be very popular, so it's kind of a bummer to see only one, but I'm sure we'll see it repeated in the next case. Hence the only one here. But very, very nice, cool artwork on this one. Second Mustang convertible that we've seen in the last, about 10 years. Maybe I'll do a Mustang feature. Unimog we saw in the last case, and we also saw the Ridge Raider in the last case. And finally for this case, 2 of the 60 Jeep 4x4. I believe this is a repeat deco from maybe back in the 80s, 90s. This is an old casting that's been refurbished. And now we see it in what I think is an old, I think in the Tyco era, you saw these kind of bright colors. And I think that's a throwback. Again, you Matchbox historians can really help me on this one. So leave comments down below. 2 of those, very, very cool. And then popular casting from the last case, 35 Ford pickup in that kind of rat rod style. That's it. Good case, especially with the Charger, the Mustang. Some nice new models in there. Not much more to say, right? Pretty cool. Go out there and find it because they're out there now. I would definitely pick up that Charger and the Mustang. We'll add that to the new models pile in 2019. Thanks, everybody. Bye.